Hi, this is Carrie from Woodinville Wine Blog, and today I'm super excited to be looking through the Washington Wine and Food Cookbook. And thank you to Sean from Sight Glass Cellars for selling me a copy of this book, because I am actually a cookbook blogger and could not get a hold of this sneak preview book to save my life. Thank you. There are a ton of Washington winemakers featured in here. There are winemakers from Walla Walla, Red Mountain, Prosser, of course, Lake Chelan, Woodinville, of course. It's by Julian Perry. I have no idea who that is. With a foreword by actor and Washingtonian Kyle MacLachlan. Did I say that right? It is a beautiful cookbook. I'm definitely going to buy a copy for my vacation house too. And there was something really nice in the introduction. You know, why does this book exist? Beautiful photography, by the way. The portraits of the winemakers. It goes through the grape growing regions to educate people, because hopefully people outside of Washington State will buy this too. A little bit fact sheet about Washington wines. Number of wineries in Washington, 2009, 620. Well, there's way more than that now. And this is a brand new book coming out in August. And a listing of all of the wineries. Let's go through. Abeja, Almavi Cellars, Pepperbridge, Andrew Janik, Anish Cellars, Brook and Bull Cellars, Brown Family Vineyards, Cardis Winery from Chelan, Castillo de Feliciana, Chateau Ste. Michelle, of course, Col Solare, Dama Wines, Damsel Cellars, yay, Woodinville, Doubleback Winery, Fielding Hills Winery in Chelan, Frechette Winery, yay, Goose Ridge, yay, Woodinville, Leavenworth, and you guys have so many tasting rooms, Walla Walla. Gorman Winery, Guardian Cellars, Woodinville, Hard Road Oho Vineyards in Chelan, Hawkins Cellars, never heard of it, ooh, have to check it out. Hedges Family Estates, J. Bookwalter, yay, Woodinville. Keona Vineyards and Winery, Lauren Ashton Cellars, woohoo, Woodinville. LaCole, one of my favorite Walla Walla wineries. Locust Wines, Lodmell Cellars, Mark Ryan Winery, of course, Woodinville. Maryhill Winery, several tasting rooms, including Woodinville. Matthews Winery, Nefarious Cellars in Chelan. Pearl and Stone Wine Company from Snoqualmie Valley, good job. Seven Hills Winery, Sight Glass Cellars in Woodinville, Artisan Hill to be specific, Sleight of Hand Cellars, Structure Cellars, Two Mountain Winery, Vapiano Vineyards, and WT Vintners. Really cool. So basically, what they said about, I really wanted to read you this paragraph really quick. I don't think it's too much of a copyright violation. Here we go. This book is a celebration of winemakers who have helped to define Washington's flourishing wine scene. In addition, some of the best chefs from Seattle have created recipes to complement the signature wines from these talented craftspeople, many of which feature native ingredients such as stinging nettles, Skagit Valley strawberries, and local shellfish that truly celebrate the community, food, and wine culture here in Washington State. With a bountiful selection of the best Washington wines and ingredients at your fingertips, I'm hopeful you'll be inspired to create a meal inclusive of both. Okay, that's pretty cool. So let's just take an example. Let's look at a couple Andrew Janik wines. So they have a portrait of each winemaker and a little mini interview with them and some quotes. And then they go on to a couple, like two recipes, two wine pairings. In this case, it's a cavatelli with braised rabbit and chanterelles from Chef Aaron Grund at Novelty Hill. The wine pairing is Andrew Janik Los Molinos. And the second recipe is roasted shallot soup with gorgonzola croutons. Yum. I will make that. Same chef. The wine pairing is Andrew Janik Lady Hawk. So for example, Brook and Bull Cellars, Ashley Trout from Walla Walla. There's a fried sunchokes with blue cheese dressing by Chef Brendan McGill from Hitchcock. And they're pairing it with the Brook and Bull Malbec, which I need to taste. The second recipe, I'm vegetarian, sorry, that was painful. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Moving on. I'm not going to show you the whole cookbook. There's Cardis Winery from Lake Chelan with an octopus recipe paired with their popular red. There's Castillo de Feliciana, Christopher Castillo, a nice picture of the dish. Lamb shanks with chorizo and creamy manchego polenta, paired with, by the chef Emilio Sansoni from Pincho, I can't pronounce it, paired with Castillo de Feliciana's Tempranillo. So you get the gist. The photography is gorgeous. This must be Chateau Ste. Michelle because I see trivia. What's the name of the peacock? Let me know in the comments below. Col Solari, some vineyard photos. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous gift book. I'm definitely imagining this is going to end up under quite a few local wine industries. Christmas trees this year. Roasted sweet potato and curry soup paired with Damsels the Fates GSM. Yay, congratulations. I have to show you this awesome picture of Mary. I don't know how this cookbook came about picking winemakers to pair stuff with, but I'm so glad that so many Woodinville people made into it. Of course, Chris Gorman. And it's alphabetical, so you can quickly turn to the page about you. We all do that when books are written about us, right? Mm-hmm. Nadal Gnocchi. Whew. Kiona. Lauren Ashton. Here's Kit. Let's check out that recipe. Why not? And then I'll end this video so I'm not giving away all the fun. Grilled salmon with Syrah barbecue sauce and corn risotto. Chef Ryan Donaldson from Gather Kitchen and Bar. Wine pairing, Lauren Ashton Reserve Syrah. And one of the wineries I noticed has a recipe from Heritage here in Woodinville. Glad to hear it. They should have included some Woodinville and Walla Walla restaurants, not just Seattle. And that is your little cookbook look through of Washington Wine and Food. Comes out in August. Click the affiliate link in the comments below the video if you'd like Woodinville Wine Blog to get a few pennies for the sale. We're not that desperate. It's okay. And so glad to have this out and so proud of Washington Wine. And this is awesome. Hope you enjoyed the look through.